Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. Today I want to show you two hot selling KDP coloring book niche for kids. So first of all, our hot selling coloring book niche for kids also is Farm Animals coloring book for toddlers. Farm Animal coloring book for toddlers. So there is here you can see 1000 results only. So this is a micro niche, and obviously is a profitable niche. Here you can see 25 review. Also you can see 156 review. So Farm Animals coloring book also a proven niche. So you can make book cover and qualityful interior design, then upload KDP and make a profitable revenue from Amazon KDP. Now our second profitable niche is simple and big coloring book for toddlers. Simple and big coloring book for toddlers. Here you can see 2000 results only. So there is not more than competition. So you can try to make this book and upload on Amazon KDP. Here you can see 4206 review, and this is also a bestseller, and also this book rank is only 134. So guys, obviously there is two big niche. First of all, Farm Animals coloring book for toddlers, and second one is simple and big coloring book for toddler. So both of niche very profitable, and you can try to make this book. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell icon when I can share more idea, more niche about getting self-publishing business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.